Make sure you have space. Move slowly and listen to your body. Let's be a cat. Round your back. Tuck your chin. Meow. Nice and slow. Now be a happy cow. Lift your head. Open your chest. Moo. Great job. Be a stretching dog. Lift your hips up high. Stretch your legs. Woof, woof. Feel the stretch. Now a little puppy. Walk your hands forward. Stay playful. Woof. So cute. Be a snake. Lift your chest up. Look forward. Nice and calm. Let's jump like a frog. Squat down low. Get ready. Ribbit, ribbit. Boing. Great job. Be a butterfly. Bring your feet together. Flap your wings. Flap, flap. So beautiful. Stand on one leg, like a flamingo. Balance slowly. Stay tall. Amazing! Stretch wide, like a starfish. Arms and legs open, big and strong. Nice. Wrap your arms like eagle wings. Stay focused. Fly high. Great balance. big lion. Open your mouth wide. Roar loud. Roar. So powerful. Hide like a turtle. Go slow. Stay low. Nice and quiet. Good job. Be a little bunny. Round your back. Stay soft. Help, help. So gentle. Be a tall camel. Open your chest. Stretch gently. Nice and slow. Beautiful. Be a dolphin. Lift your hips. Stay strong. Splash. Great work. Lift your body like a crab. Move a little, side to side. So fun. Be a big bear. Walk slowly. Stay strong. Grr. Keep going. Twist your body like a snake. Move gently. Yes. Relax. Be a fish. Lift your chest. Avery swims softly. Blub blub. So calm. Now be a sleepy puppy. Rest your body. Close your eyes. Time to relax. Follow this channel join me again. See you next time.